Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. Virtual vacancy seat matrix, particularly the clear vacancy seat matrix is out, and we will talk about like how many seats are there and in different branches for government and private, and even in DNB SS how many seats are there and what you can expect. We will also discuss how you can do the choice filling and what sort of help we can provide to you. So before we start, let me tell you something what we provide to you. You can get access to our paid counseling guidance packages, okay? And for that you need to visit neetmentor.co.in, or you can Google NEET Mentor. It will come as a first option. We have like a smart portal plus choice filling option also, where you can access different colleges last year and in this year previous rounds cutoff, fee structure, stipend, bond. You can also do prediction about the possibilities, and you can access to the choice filling in the package of 3007.5. You can't expect like call support and query support. Minimal thing we can support, okay? So that's how it can help you, and I'll tell you like how you can do the choice filling, what are the different things you should keep in mind, what is the best strategy to do the choice filling. Before we jump into the choice filling discussion, let me discuss with you how many seats we have. So cardiology, see, many seats you are able to see in the government colleges. The reason behind it, the candidates who jump to the INASS in the AIMS colleges, they already had taken seat through NEET SS counseling in the round 1 or round 2, so they were given opportunity to resign it. So many such candidates have resigned and it came into the queue of clear vacancy. Okay, so many government seats you are able to see, and there are virtual vacancies also, although it's not published on the official website, but when you go for the choice filling it is already being shown over there. We can expect a PDF to get published, or even they do not publish, so you can select from the virtual vacancies, okay? But this is 100% clear, these seats are vacant. There is a little difference if you are not able to understand what is meaning of virtual and what is the meaning of clear vacancy. Clear vacancy are those seats which are not allotted, which are either not allotted to anyone in the round till round 2, or which were resigned. So those seats are 100% vacant. Coming to virtual vacancy are those seats which is already allotted to those candidates who came to stay vacancy round for upgradation, okay? So it works like a railway reservation system. In case you already have a seat or berth and you get upgraded to some upper berth or some like better seats, okay, then you leave behind your previous seat and it is not longer with you, okay, it is already given to somebody else. Similarly, when anybody gets the seat upgraded, his or her previous seat is already given to somebody else. So previous seat will get vacant and it will come into the queue of clear vacancy at the run time. When the allotment process is running, the software is working that time, okay? So you have to make sure that those options you fill in the choice filling. Choice filling is the most important point or most important part, so you don't make it in hurry, okay? Make sure that you have the list available in a PDF format or like Excel format, or you have on the pen paper, okay? And it's well analyzed, you have made the final decision to do it in this way, okay? Because you will be getting multiple options from different states, different colleges, which you might not have even heard about, okay? So it's very important to get the review about it. And there are DNBSS institutes, DM and MCH in the private and government institutes. So in which order you want to keep it, you should also consider like how much a stipend you are getting over there, and what is the bond over there, okay? So including all these factors, and particular department, how good is particular department, patient footfall, okay, opportunity of learning, toxicity. So these things should be considered during the choice filling, and you make sure that you have it ready before you enter in the system. Once you enter in the system, make sure that you don't want to change much. Okay, exchanging the order or shuffling facility is available in the choice filling, but it is not recommended to use that facility much, because once you go for that, you are just creating a trouble for you, because that is so much error prone. You exchange it, okay, the system might be showing that okay, you have done it wrong, but behind the scene, since the server might be little slow, and what you intend to do might not be done. Okay, ultimately when you see the last thing, okay, it might be having like a not proper order. So better to make sure that you have the list already ready, and then enter in the system. Okay, take time. It's not necessary that do it today only. Okay, you can do tomorrow or day after tomorrow. You have time till 27th. 28th you should not do on 28th, because 9 a.m. morning is the time. Okay, 25th, 26th, 27th, you have the 3 days of time. Okay, in case you are looking for the choice filling order from us, we have shown you like how to get it, or you can go for the other packages where you can get the call support and all other facilities. Okay, so more seats are available. I'll tell you which branches has more seats. This PDF I'm going to share with you in the WhatsApp group. The group link is available in the description of the video. So in cardiology, 112 seats in private and 20 seats in government. Okay. Then in critical care, mostly the seats are available in DNB SS. And medical gastroenterology, 19 private, 9 government seats. Nephrology, you have 47 seats in private and 9 in government. Then neurology also, more number of seats are there. This cardio and neurology, these two branches will have more number of seats, and you can expect in the lower score also. 69 in private and 17 in government. CVTS, 32 in private and 96 in government. In CVTS, you can expect government colleges even in just like a very low score. Okay, because more seats are available. Neurosurgery, 63 seats in private and 17 seats in government. Like another branches like urology, which is so much in demand, 43 seats in private and 11 seats in government. Then you have DNBSS cardiology, 249 seats. Critical care medicine, 135 seats in DNB. Nephrology in DNB, 84 seats. Neurology DNB, 133 seats. Neurosurgery, 69 seats. So totally 1609 seats are clear vacancy. Okay, if you find that okay, some of the institutes where the candidate resigned the seat, and those seats has not come into the queue of clear vacancy, because the resigned seat would be coming in the clear vacancy, then you can mail to MCC and you can raise your claim. If it's found correct, they will update the seat matrix. If it's not correct, okay, so that's all from my side. Stay tuned with this channel. I might post some other videos which might be useful for you. Thanks for watching.